help organize this tour in Peterborough. And so I'm delighted you're here to help with the closing this afternoon. The Mariposa is, I think, an extraordinary place in this small town in that our mission is to help bring the world to this area. And we do that through song and dance and senior series and family performances and something like this. So, and it happens with a lot of help from the community. So I'd like to just acknowledge the people that have.
So today there's lots of people gathered here. So thank you very much all the people who are gathering here today. Actually, the mandala that we create the mandala different places and different cities what people they want and their requests. So here what we made the mandala is called peace mandala. So all of you see here. So what purpose of we create here mandala? The more purpose of to spread or to create peace in this world. Therefore, we create mandala. So in the center, we create a shape of the world glove, and on that drop, we took the aloe branch. So this is like a universal peace. And then surrounding there are 12 different religious symbols. This is purpose. This is symbolized like as a religious harmony between all major traditions, and through that it creates peace. And all major traditions, they have ability to provide and ability to give welfare for all peoples. Therefore, there are different major traditions. Master teach different concept or different teachings, but there's a common ground or the common teaching, like as a compassion and also do the warm-hearted to helping to the other people. So the practice of forgiveness and like as the practice of passions. All these are the same in all the religions that teach. So therefore, there's a lots of common ground and common teaching. So through that, the people have very get very peaceful and very helps for their survive or for their better life. And then we also create the like I said, different color of picture of the peoples who hold the hands. This symbolizes like as a unity and brotherhood and sisterhood between the peoples. And then we create here the landscape for seasons and for elements. So this is the real nature of our planet. So nature of our world. So it shows here or this purpose of that we create this because we have to consume, we have to taking care of our planet, and we also taking care of our environment. So due to that, bring peace. Otherwise, if we neglect to our planet, just only seeking individual happiness or something that through the materialistic, then it's coming a more disaster something. Then it's not good. So therefore, for the awareness toward taking care of environment for our planets, we create here the seasons and elements. And then all around the ring of the flower, this is symbolized like as a love, compassion, and also joyfulness. And then there's the eight auspicious symbol. So Tibetan it called eight lucky sign or eight auspicious symbol. So we believe that through that creating a lucky symbol, it brings luck and fortune and prosperity. And then at the end of that, there's a rainbow light. So that rainbow light reddened all over the land, so that it created peace, just like that. So during our creating the mandala, for morning and also afternoon, we chanted and saying prayers for the world peace. And also among the peoples who are coming here, watching here, they're also saying prayers from their mind for the world peace. So through that, it created peace in the world, I think. And now we are going to do the closing ceremony. During the closing ceremony, the monks chant and they saying prayers and they saying mantras. And then after that, they do the dismantling this mandala. The purpose or the symbolize like as a detachment, or like as all things are like same as this impermanence of thing. And then later, all this colored sand sweep up with a brush, and some of the portion of the sand we will share with the people if they want to tap, and just like as a blessing or the remembrance what they want. And the rest of the sand we will bring to the water and pour in this water. So before that, I would like to say thank you, all of you, the people, and especially I would like to say our coordinator, Terry Reeve.
Yeah.